Today, I'm going to show you how to record bad debt in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then, select Credit Memo. In the Credit Memo form, choose the customer connected to the unpaid invoice. Next, go to the Product or Service section. Choose Bad Debt as the item. If you do not already have a bad debt item, create one. Set it up as a non-taxable item and connect it to the correct bad debt or income adjustment account. Now enter the amount you want to write off. This should match the unpaid amount you are removing from the customer's balance. Check the date and make sure the credit memo details are correct. Then click Save. After saving the credit memo, apply it to the open invoice so the customer balance is cleared. Go to Receive Payment for that customer. Select the unpaid invoice and the credit memo. Make sure the remaining balance is 0. Then click Save and Close. QuickBooks will now write off the bad debt and remove the unpaid invoice from accounts receivable.